hand. Okay, go.
Damn.
Oh, somebody's smoking, man. Dang. Oh my, Mamma Mia. Bisa here's a fudge ba? Good morning, guys. This is Mrs. O. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So, guys, this is my me time. It's very important to me to spend a long time and, muni muni in Tagalog. reflection, reflection time. So many thoughts that we need to just breathe and enjoy the quiet moment and just enjoy my alone time, to keep sane. Right, guys? So, yes, guys, one of those morning drive that I just don't want to talk, you know, just enjoy the breeze in the morning and the sunshine. It's really beautiful time for me to spend a long time just driving and not talking, just driving around our neighborhood and enjoying the moment. You know, it's September the 10th, guys. Oh my goodness, lately it was so hot over here in North America, and I was so surprised. I expect, the temperature should be like going down, but it was hot the first week of September. And yeah, but yes, um, I'm sure all of you or some of you enjoy the temperature. I can't really enjoy the hotness, guys. Blame it to my thyroid condition. So I am good of anything in between, not so cold and not so hot. So, but today it's so very beautiful morning, beautiful cooler day. It was in 62. I believe today the highest temperature is like 72. So that's that's awesome, you know. So yes, guys, thanks for your time, and yes, don't forget to give some alone time to yourself. Self-love is very important, simple as it like this, you know even though if you are not driving, just sit down somewhere under the trees or by the nature and just walking, and it's very very helpful, guys, just walking by ourselves and muni muni. Muni muni is my favorite word, guys. Just thinking anything, and or just don't don't think at all. Just enjoy the moment, what's in front of you. So, all right, guys, that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it. I want you to be a member of my small community here. My channel is all about anything and everything, and yep, please don't forget to press the notification bell for you are updated if I have a new upload. All right, so yes, guys, and I will drive more around, and it's almost 9 a.m. It's my time to eat my breakfast. I am thinking, I am craving on tortang talong, guys. Tortang talong is fried eggplant So that is so good in Filipino dish. So yes, I am craving of tortang talong. And yep, for my breakfast and some served with hot rice, and there you go. So all right guys, you guys have a wonderful weekdays ahead of you. Take care. Amping ingat. All right, again, this is Mrs. O, and bye. Stay well and stay safe. All right.